factory of 180. So 180, it can be written as 2 times 90. 2 times 90 mean 180. So 90, it can be written as 2 times 45, and 45, it can be written as 3 times 15. 3 times 15 mean 45, and 15, it can be written as 3 times 5. 3 times 5 mean 15. So now we select the prime numbers among these numbers. So prime numbers here is 2, these 2, 3, 3 and 5. So we can write 180 is equal to product of all these prime numbers, means these 2, like as these 2, like as these 3, and this 5. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.